Nearly 74,000 Nevadans signed up for insurance through healthcare.gov during the open enrollment period that ended last month. However, more people who needed to sign up didn't, and some are only now realizing it as they file those taxes and notice the fines. Here to talk about a special 6-week extension is our friend, health insurance expert, Mike Dillon of Dillon Insurance Services. Thank you for coming back on. We thought we weren't going to see you for a while, and then we get news that there's this extension. Tell us about it.
So the new extension is from March 15th to April 30th.
Okay.
And there's 3 things that you have to do to qualify for that. So you should not have had coverage in 2014.
Okay.
You have to or will pay your fine or your penalty, which is $95 or 1% of your income. Okay. $95 for the individual or $47.50 per child, whichever is greater.
Okay.
And then you need to attest that you weren't aware of the deadlines for February 15th.
And how do you prove that?
You just pretty much say I didn't know.
So okay, let's talk about this.
I didn't know the implications of it. Rather.
Sure. So you still have to pay the fines for 2014. This
Yes.
is really for people to avoid fines moving forward,
Yes.
which are going to increase this year.
Yeah. So the 2015 fine is going up substantially. It's going to be $325 for an individual, $162.50 per child, or 2% income,
Whichever
your
is
household
greater.
income, which that starts to be a pretty significant number.
Yeah.
For households, yeah.
Let's talk about then the first 3 months of this year, though. If they didn't have insurance, will they be penalized for January, February, March?
No, so they will definitely, that'll be a aggregate number, so they do a monthly penalty. So you'd pay a percentage of that, and you have to have had coverage for 9 months of the 12 months to not have any penalty at all. So there might be a 1 month, percentage fee, which will be pretty minimum.
And we were kind of half jokingly saying last time you were here, when are they going to change the deadline again? So really, you're kind of going with the flow and figuring it out as we all go, right?
Who knows? Everything, it changes already. We already know that in 2015, the open enrollment for the 2016 year is going to start in October.
Of this year?
October 1st. So it's like we're going to be right back in this thing before you know it
Just a few
again.
months.
So it'll be crazy.
Like campaign season all
Yes.
over again.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Mike. We appreciate your expertise. If you have questions about health insurance, give them a call right now at 858-2222. We also have your contact information on our website, KTVN.com.